Arrow's T50 staples are the world's best-selling heavy-duty staples. Designed for maximum holding strength, Arrow's T50 staples are trusted by professionals everywhere. Perfect for heavy-duty upholstery, installing insulation, house wrap, roofing fill, crafts, and general home repairs. T50 staples have a width of 3/8 of an inch. Sizes 1/4 inch, 5/16 inch, and 3/8 inch feature divergent points that will drive deep into the base material, while sizes 1/2 inch and 9/16 inch feature chisel points. Steel T50 staples are available in 5 leg length, ranging from 1/4 inch up to 9/16 inch, in pack sizes of 1,250 staples. And for larger projects, pack sizes of 5,000 staples are available too. Also available in sizes 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch are stainless steel T50 staples, which offer increased durability and rust resistance. In addition, we carry our Monel T50 staples in the same 4 sizes, for premium rust resistance needed in heavy-duty pro and marine applications. And if that's not enough variety, Arrow offers T50 ceiling tile staples as well. T50 staples work with all T50 style heavy-duty staple guns, including the world-renowned T50, the T50X, PowerShot 5700, and more. They also work with Arrow's line of hammer tackers, including the HT50, the HTX50, and others. Plus Arrow's electric and pneumatic staple guns like the T50 ACD and the PT50. Thanks for stopping by the Arrow Workshop.